Welcome to this instructional guide on how to create a new contact in the Elite Technique system. This video will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can efficiently and accurately add new contacts. By following these guidelines, you will maintain consistency in customer records, streamline sales, and purchasing operations, and enhance overall system functionality. Let's get started. So, first off, we're going to click on the 9 dots that give us the drop-down menu. We will then go to Contacts that is located right under Calendar. These are all the contacts that have been previously created in our system. So in order to create a new contact, you just click on Create. The first thing you're going to have to determine here is if you're dealing with a company or an individual. As we know in the fence world, most of the businesses are home-owned businesses. So for the sake of this video, we will go with individual. First off, we're going to give them a name. Let's call them Test Contact 1. Now, for the address, it's important for you to have the exact address and that it's verified because our system is linked to Google Maps. So, in terms of accuracy, we need to input the correct address. So, we're going to go with 269 9th Street. This is in Providence. Now for the state, what you want to do is you want to type the first letters of the state. And you click on the option when it becomes available. Make sure you enter the correct zip code. Okay. Now let's go to phone. We know that nowadays almost nobody uses landlines. But if that is the principal phone that you are given, then you will enter it here. Let's say that there's only a mobile phone or a cell phone. This is where we're going to enter it. But if the cell phone is the only phone that we are given, then we want to type it in both fields. The phone number that you enter here in phone line is the one that is going to be linked to your devices and that you can call back with one click. For email, let's say if for some reason this new contact doesn't have an email or you are not given an email address, it's important to use a fake one because as long as we have an email here, the system will maintain full connection with this information. So we're just going to go with contact1@test.com. Okay, if they provide you with a website link, you enter it here. The same goes for a title. And now this brings us to tags. Now tags are an effective way to filter and to categorize and to group contacts that are equal or similar or that belong to a specific department. When we use tags, it's easier to find a specific contact. So you can either use the ones available or you can create your own tag. And if this new contact is a subcontractor, you want to check this box off. Now, when creating a new contact, the Sales and Purchase tab also comes into play. Here, you can select a salesperson if you want a specific salesperson to deal with this contact. In payment terms, by default, the system will have it as advance payment of 50% and then the other 50% upon completion. If this doesn't apply or this doesn't accommodate to your business or your company, then there are other options of payment terms that are available. Price list. Elite Technique will come to fall with a public price list, but if your customers fall under a different price list, you can create as many as you wish. So, finally, if you want to use an image to easily identify this individual or company, according to the contact you're creating, then you just have to click here on the little pencil and upload the image that you want to use here. So after you're happy with all the settings and all the changes that you made for this new contact, you just hit save. And as you can see, we have a new contact created in our system. Let's look for him. There we go. Test contact 1. Providence, United States, contact1@test.com. Thank you very much.